I'm the Crow. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Except for this. The Mission on Earth Omega+Swatch collaboration. The only planet with life and bioceramic. Straight out of New York, Las Vegas, Nevada, to my kitchen. Mission on Earth. Let's go. Alright, here she is. This is how she comes. Beautiful. They've done a great job advertising and marketing this baby. Mission on Earth. Let's get her out of the sleeve. Ah, yes. There it is. Gorgeous. I'm actually liking the color tones for the Earth model. Beautiful blue. A large portion of the Earth is represented by water. Great color choice. And of course, plant life. A lot of it's green. I don't know. I'd have to talk to the professionals and see how they came up with the color tones for the Earth model, but seems like how I would interpret it. Anyway, they both work together great. And you have your authenticity card. 3970 Las Vegas Boulevard, Las Vegas, New York, which is the New York Casino and Resort. Instruction paperwork as well. Easy enough. A pamphlet explaining all of the Mission moonSwatch collection. So it has a center module, cardboard design, easy to work with, I guess you could say. Wow, she's super light, no question about it. Comes on this, what would be like a modified NATO blue strap. Oh, this thing's feather light. Wow. Holy cow. And yes, we know the dimensions are almost exact to the Omega Speedmaster Professional. But obviously you're looking at the different materials that are made. Not stainless steel, not sapphire crystal or hexalite crystal, but rather bioceramic, which is like a plastic and ceramic combination, which obviously contributes to the overall weight. I got 5 reasons why you can head out there and grab yourself one of the moonSwatch collections. Let's start with affordability first. At $260 US, not too tough of a sell here. That is in a lot of people's price range. So what can I say? It's all going to come down to attainability if you can get somewhere where it's going to be easier for you to grab. Here in Canada, not a lot of options. You folks out in the US and UK, a lot more than we have. Case in point, I had to grab this one from Las Vegas, Nevada. Second, good looks. They all rock. They all have their own design and colors and things that make them special. Lightweight. This thing, you can't even feel it's on your wrist at only 29 grams. Sheesh. And any watch with that price point that offers some complications, dynamite. We have a great chronograph complication for you, just like the original Omega Speedmaster Professional. And lastly, number 5, you've got some versatility there. It comes with a Velcro strap, but you could take that off and throw on whatever you like based on the specs and the design for this particular timepiece. You have options. Stay tuned to the channel. Hope you enjoy this unboxing. More videos coming, including a full review of the Omega+Swatch MoonSwatch series, Mission on Earth. I'm the CovertCrow. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss the next video. And you're going to get notified when it drops. It's that easy. I'm on Instagram at TheCovertCrow. right there. Drop me a message, ask me a question, whatever you like. Or just say hi. See you on the next one. I'm out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.